This video will explain the projection area values in GiziPrint. When you select the projection area, let's say 200 by 113, this is just a calculated XY resolution, just so you have an idea of what it is. The distance from home is actually future proofing the code when the projector will move itself. So on the GiziMate, GiziPro, GiziMax, the projector has a motor and the projector will be able to move itself. So if you then configure your Gizmotor, for instance, let's say you set it up to print at 160 by 90, the printer will then know how far to move the projector from the top home position to then create a projection area that's 160 by 90. So all those things will be done automatically. The XY resolution is, it scales the image horizontally or vertically. So this is why I said it's very important to have your projection area in the real world, let's say 200 by 113, the same as in your software, because it uses these numbers to then make the image bigger or smaller. So if your print is maybe not wide enough on the X, you will then increase the X scale. If it's not wide enough on the Y, you will increase the Y scale. Projector zoom and projector focus, that was also planned for the future, to have servo motors on some of our projectors so that they could automatically change the zoom and the focus to generate a projection area that, for instance, 200 by 113 or 400 by 225 or 160 by 90, depending on the projector. So we have the high intensity projectors that can go from 160 by 90 to 400 by 224. The 4K projectors can't really be changed. It's a solid lens. And then we have the high resolution projectors that can go from 96 by 54 up to 160 by 90. But yeah, so it hasn't been implemented yet, but because it's going to require a lot of extra hardware, and we just don't have the ability to do that at this point in time. The next video I will explain the image scaling.